Let's talk about fun with puns. Hello, everyone. Welcome to another exciting episode where we dive into the fun and fascinating world of English phrases. Today, we're going to explore a playful and punny phrase. Let's talk about it. This phrase is a great example of how language can be used creatively to add humor and engage in conversations. So, sit back, relax, and let's unfold the layers of this interesting expression. At first glance, let's talk about it, might seem a bit confusing. This phrase is a clever play on words, known as a pun. Puns are a form of wordplay which use the sound and meaning of words to create humor. The phrase combines the word taco, a popular Mexican dish, with the sound-alike phrase talk about. Essentially, when someone says, "Let's talk about it," they're playfully suggesting, "Let's talk about it," but with a humorous twist. Puns are widely used in the English language to add humor and spark creativity. They are found in everyday conversations, jokes, advertising, and even in literature. Understanding puns like, "Let's talk about it," can help English language learners appreciate the flexibility and playfulness of the language. It shows how English speakers often enjoy playing with words and sounds to make language more engaging and fun. "Let's talk about it" can be used in various casual situations where you want to lighten the mood or introduce a topic of discussion in a playful manner. It's perfect for social gatherings, informal meetings, or when you want to break the ice with someone. Remember, the key to using this phrase effectively is in the delivery. A cheerful tone and a smile can help convey the playful intent behind the pun. Encountering a pun like, "Let's talk about it," opens up a world of creative language use. English is rich with puns that play on words related to food, animals, and everyday objects. Listening for and practicing with these puns can enhance your vocabulary, improve your understanding of wordplay, and make your communication more engaging. Try creating your own puns or look for more examples to share in conversations. We hope you enjoyed unraveling the tasty layers of the phrase, "Let's talk about it." English is a language full of surprises and humor, and understanding puns like this one is a great way to deepen your appreciation for its creativity. Keep listening, practicing, and don't be afraid to play with words in your own conversations. Thank you for watching, and let's keep learning and laughing together.